Hey everyone, it's Lizzie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my July budget, and I'm just going to walk you through my whole setup. So first things first, I love writing in red for all of my bills on a calendar. So this is my happy planner, and this is actually a spread that I created. I do have an Etsy shop. If you are new and you didn't know, I just opened my Etsy shop. It's called Budget Essentials Co. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description box for you guys to check out. But this is available, and I have listed here some goals of mine and then just some notes. This is an encouragement to me, and I love specific scriptures that just motivates me. And what I wrote down for the month of July is Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. And that's just something that I have to keep reminding myself that God has given me wisdom. He's given me tools to better my family and better our finances. So that's really my whole thing about doing these videos, is really to share positive feedback, or things that works for me that could possibly work for you. Obviously, my budget system is not suitable for everyone. Everyone has their own technique and systems in place, but these are just things that are available, and I just want to make it known to everyone. So what I have done, I lay out all of my bills in red, as I mentioned prior. So I just wrote it all out here and the amounts. And I have gotten these stickers from an Etsy shop. It's Callie Pie stickers. I'll also leave that in the description box for you guys to check out, along with a discount code for you guys to get a percentage off, so you can have some savings. So I marked off when my paydays are, so when I'll go to the bank and make withdrawals. My husband, he is the weekly pay, and I am the bi-monthly, so 15th and the last day. So that's kind of interesting when we lay out our budget, but it helps because my husband getting paid weekly and then me bi-monthly, it kind of helps out that whole waiting period. So for this, it would have been almost 2 weeks that I wouldn't have gotten another pay. So that can be kind of stressful, but if you have a plan in place, you set yourself up for success. So let's just get into the actual monthly budget. And I did put all the stickers on here, the washi, in a prior video when I first received these stickers. And this is a whole new system for me. And I'm just gonna try it out for you guys, because I know so many people who have their budget written out this way, where they'll list out the amount that they budgeted for and what was the actual funds that they received or spent, and then they figured out what they went over short, which it's kind of smart because you can see where you need adjusting. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with this here while I am looking at this in the background. So first things first, let me just zoom you in so you all could see a little bit better when I am writing. So I like using the Every Dollar budgeting app. I mentioned this in almost all of my Budget with Me's, but it's so simple, and really that is all that you need, is just the app. But I'm one where I love pen and paper. I love, I feel like when you write things down, oh my gosh, what am I trying to say? When you write things down, it goes into your memory, or what is happening. So that's just my thing. All right. We are just going to make out my budget, and this is all estimated amounts. So these are not actual. As you can see, I'm not gonna fill out this here. Some of these I'm gonna keep private, like how much we pay on our mortgage. I'm not gonna write in the amount because I have family and friends that watch my videos, so I think it's kind of weird. I don't know. I probably should just like write out the amount that I pay on my mortgage and just be done with it. Should I rip that Band-Aid off? At this moment, put a Band-Aid in the comments if you really don't care and you don't think it's a big deal. Right now, I'm not thinking it's a big deal. I really don't care. We can afford it. People can judge. I'm just gonna do it. Yep, I'm gonna do it. So these again is estimated amounts. My income is variable, so I really don't know what my income will be because I get commission and all of that. So I'm just gonna write in like an estimated amount. Alrighty, so income section. I'm just gonna write our names. Yes, this is my husband's nickname. His name is Emmanuel, but all of the family call him Emma. It's a Spanish thing, so just FYI. This I'm still not sure of because his pay had changed, but this is the estimated amount. And that's just roughly mine. So the total income, 4838. Okay. So we're starting there. It's pretty cool how all of these boxes are here for you to write in your funds. And now let's get into the giving portion and all of that. So I love to list out my tithe first. I give that first, always. So this is roughly 480. Let's do, well, to make things simple, let's just do 480. Okay. And then we give to a ministry, and that's monthly $20. Now, I haven't been sharing this. I'm gonna share it. We have a brand new house, just FYI, everything is included. When we purchased this house, we got granite countertops, tile throughout. It's in a brand new community. We live in Central Florida, and I was so afraid that we were like in over our heads, and sometimes I think we are. Like sometimes I wish that we could have made a different decision, but I'm gonna share it with you guys. I cannot believe I'm gonna do this. I'm probably gonna get like a bunch of comments about this. I'm willing to let this be known. We didn't know the whole Dave Ramsey like situation before we bought the house. So yeah, we may have to adjust, but we're working on increasing our income so that we're good. But so far, everything, we've been comfortable. But hopefully you can appreciate that I am sharing this with you guys because it is personal. HOA, we set aside roughly $34. Handwriting is not the best, I understand, but oh well. Water, it's electric, $117.99. Phone, $124.17. Internet is $65.99. And we have ADT for home security. That's $63.42. And then we have car. It's $266.50. Truck, $280.41. By the way, this is not like a truck payment. This is the funds that we owe GM Financial for turning in our lease. So once this is done, we have that money and we pretty much just give ourselves a raise. So all of that would probably be put towards savings, because we're starting back to baby step 1. For those of you who do not know what I am talking about, let me know in the comments. I don't know what you're talking about. What is baby steps? Because baby steps is literally what has changed the game for us, following Dave Ramsey. And we're going to pretty much give ourselves a raise for not having this payment, $280.41, which is super exciting. We do have a Sun Pass, so I'm just going to put this in here. And we travel a lot and we go through tolls. So I had wrote down that we're going to budget for about $95 for that. We have Disney passes. And that is $63.52. I'm just going to put here subscriptions. Subscriptions, which is iTunes and Spotify, just so I can save some space here. So the total for that is $15.98. And again, that is just for iTunes and Spotify. iTunes 99 cents, Spotify is $14.99. Let me just go through to see if there's any other. Yeah, we have our car insurance. So car insurance is $220.45. We are going to be changing our car insurance because we can have a savings switching. So that's really exciting. ID theft, that is $12.90. Our life insurance, so we have 2 policies for life insurance, mine and my husband's. So the total, let's see what the total is. 70, 1778. All right, so for life insurance, it's $30.48. We have a credit card, and we only have one credit card. And right now the payment is $37 is the minimum payment. And let's see. Let's budget for gas. And let's say it is $300. And grocery is also $300. Now this is going to be like for savings or whatnot. For space wise, I'm just gonna leave that part blank. Whatever is extra, I typically use for sinking funds. And I mentioned how to work with or how to use sinking funds, how to come up with sinking funds in a prior video. I'll make sure to link it up above, of how I come up with numbers and such. So let's see, did I miss anything? I got gas. So I do have savings and then sinking funds amount. So let's just right now add up all of these, and I'm gonna zoom you out for that piece. Alrighty. All right, so the total for this, it is 408,193. And that is not including like Christmas and all of that. So the difference, 4838. So $756.07 is what I have to work with for savings, for sinking funds, and all of that type of stuff. You can get, again, into detail with the Every Dollar app. I don't think you can see it very well. Let me turn down the brightness. But as you can see here, like I have everything written down. It even tells me I have like $39 left to budget for. So this is a great way for you to like track your spending. And you can use this on different devices by just logging in. So it makes it really, really nice and super simple. All right, so that is my July monthly budget. I can do like a separate sinking funds budget and like savings. I do plan on like organizing that a little bit better. But that is how this looks using the stickers that I received. With the Happy Planner, like I don't have much space to work with when it comes to laying out these types of stickers. So that is why I created a July monthly budget for my Happy Planner. And I will be utilizing some of my creations in future videos for you guys, because I do think that for a Happy Planner you don't have much space, and using stickers, it may not be like space saving. I may have to like consolidate a few of these, but I love it. Like I have love for stickers. I think it makes everything look so much cleaner, and I just love it. I really do. I think that this is made for an Erin Condren planner, but I just really like the fact that I'm able to tear off the sheets and do a budget this way and like adjust my planner the way that I see fit. And I can just, you know, switch things up a bit. So that is what my July monthly budget looks like without sinking funds and savings. I can get into detail of that in another video if you guys would like that. So give this a thumbs up, leave a comment. I would like to see like more in-depth sinking funds, or just how I plan out for that difference that I mentioned with the income minus the expenses. And I can go into detail with that on like how to lay out a budget and what to do with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I hope it was simple for you guys to follow along. With that being said, I will catch you guys on my next video where I lay out my paycheck to paycheck budget on this page right over here. So make sure you turn on the notification bell if you have not yet, and I will see you then. Bye guys.